Good afternoon, Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Something a little unconventional for my channel, but I thought, hey, what the hell, man? It's got 4 wheels and a motor. This is our 2020 Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series. LT46. Got a 46-inch cut deck. This is about 3 or 4 months old. I meant to do a video on it when we first got it. I think this is about the 5th mow with it. We got a Kohler 7000 series engine, 22 horse. Sharp looking mower. Check out those headlights. This thing is a mowing beast, man. I've been mowing. I mean mowing. Yeah. She's a sexy mother. This is your, $2,000 Home Depot special right here. You know, they got all the mowers out there for about $1,000 a ride mower. But this is your next jump up to, say, the 2,000 price point. It's pretty cool. It's got reverse, gas, and then of course your brake. There's where you add your fuel, your choke. You got a parking brake. And then of course it's got a adjustable seat that slides back and forth. And it's very comfortable and easy to drive. This one here does your your deck level, low or high, how high or low you want to cut your grass. And then of course this one here engages the blade. So to disengage the blade, you just pull it back. Let's put our foot on the brake, move the choke up, turn the moved it down to turtle. Let's engage the blade. There we go. Let's go for a little ride, shall we? These are some pretty steep hills I've got here to mow. But this thing does it no problem. This yard is almost worthy of a bush hog, especially that area over there, but I can't, there's a ditch, so I can't cut in that area. But this area right here looked just like that before I mowed it down. This thing's got lots of guts. This is a steep hill. As you can see, there's my dad over there picking up sticks, 66 pickup sticks. Turn the juice up a little bit. Oh yeah. Bulldog, man. Or a Cub. Whatever. It's just a damn good mower for the money. I think my dad and stepmom have like 5 acres here. It goes way that way. Anyway, I better focus on mowing. I just wanted to get a little video of the new Cub Cadet. Y'all have a great day.